Alright, Jason here from septictank.co.uk, and in this short video I'm going to answer your questions about the septic tank and soakaway kit. So let's get straight into this. Katie, what questions have you got for me?
Hi Jason, my husband and I would like to purchase a septic tank soakaway kit. We have a 3-bedroom property. What kit should we buy? What comes with the kit, and how long does it take to install?
All right, Katie, very good questions. Thank you for that. So you've got a 3 to 4 bedroom property. Which septic tank soakaway kit should you go for? Well, I've made it really simple. The septic tank soakaway kits are based on the number of bedrooms you've got. So in this instance, you'd go for a 3 to 4 bedroom septic tank and soakaway kit. So what do you get with these septic tank and soakaway kits? Well, basically you get everything. You get the heavy-duty, low-profile septic tank. There's no concreting needed at all. You get all the pipework. You even get an inspection chamber, which is like a rodding point and collects all the debris. And you get all the drainage field crates. You even get free membrane with it. And this septic tank soakaway kit literally only takes a couple of hours to install. So how do you install it? You put the pipe in the first trench, and this will come from the house into the first hole. Into that hole, then you put the septic tank and connect the pipe to it. Then you connect the inspection chamber to the pipes, which then just slot straight into the septic tank. Then you insert the drainage field crates into the hole and put the pipe from the inspection chamber in to one of the drainage field crates. Then you cover with membrane. That's it. Job done. This septic tank and soakaway kit is easy to install. It will save you thousands in installation costs. And it can be installed in any size garden, small, medium or large. So there you go. That was easy, wasn't it? That's how you go about choosing, buying and installing a septic tank soakaway kit. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I'm Jason from septictank.co.uk. You take care. Speak to you soon.